Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Recruiter's Playbook. I'm Scott, and today we're diving into a really fascinating topic, AI versus recruiters. Who will win the talent war? I'm here with my amazing co-host, Selena, and this episode is brought to you by iSmart Recruit.
Hey there! I'm super excited to dig into this topic because, it's something that's literally transforming our industry right now.
So, Selena, we're seeing AI everywhere in recruitment these days. What's your take on how it's actually changing the game?
Well, you see, AI is it's completely revolutionizing how we approach talent acquisition, right? And and what's really interesting is that it's not just about automating the basic stuff anymore. It's getting incredibly sophisticated at screening resumes, analyzing candidate data, and even predicting job fit.
That's pretty impressive, but what about the human element? I mean, recruiting has always been about personal connections, right?
That's exactly the thing, Scott. See, AI is amazing at processing data, like lightning fast, but it can't replicate human intuition. You know what I mean? We're seeing this really interesting hybrid approach where AI handles the time-consuming tasks and recruiters focus on what they do best, building relationships, understanding cultural fit, and making those crucial judgment calls.
So it's more about collaboration than competition?
Absolutely. And here's the thing. AI is basically becoming like this super-powered assistant. It's helping recruiters make better decisions, faster decisions, but it's not replacing them. Think about it. AI can screen thousands of resumes in minutes, right? But when it comes to understanding a candidate's potential, their soft skills, their aspirations, that's where human recruiters really shine.
I've been wondering about the impact on candidate experience. What are you seeing there?
The candidate experience is actually getting better because, see, AI is helping us personalize the recruitment process at scale. Like, chatbots handle initial questions 24/7, automated scheduling makes coordination easier, and AI-powered assessments provide quick feedback. But, and this is important, candidates still want that human connection during key moments of their journey.
Sounds like we're heading towards some kind of balance.
Exactly, Scott. The future isn't about AI versus recruiters. It's about AI plus recruiters. And and what's really exciting is how this partnership is creating better outcomes for everyone. Companies are finding better matches, recruiters are becoming more strategic, and candidates are getting faster, more personalized experiences.
As we wrap up, what's your final thought on who wins this talent war?
You know what? Everyone wins when we use AI the right way. It's not about replacement, it's about enhancement. The real winners are going to be the recruiters who embrace AI as a tool to become better at what they do, while keeping that human touch that makes recruitment so special.
Thanks for sharing your insights, Selena. And thank you everyone for tuning in to AI Recruiter's Playbook. If you want to learn more about AI-powered recruitment solutions, visit ismartrecruit.com. Until next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep recruiting smart.